What is going on, guys? As you guys know, I don't really do unboxing videos, but today we have a special pair of sneakers and I thought about offering you guys a very quick unboxing video. So let's kick it off and see what we got over here. So here I have the Nike box and I'm gonna open it real quick. Gotta reach because I can't show my address. Wow, this is dope. Wow. And okay, now we're gonna get into the real thing. Just look at the color of the box, man. This is another level, man. The color of the box is so different. So this is like a brown Nike box with the Nike logo on top. So let's see what is inside of the box. What's in the box? Have you asked that question before? So here we got the real question. What's in the box? And bam, we have this pink Nike Air logo, the Cactus Jack, the Air Jordan logo, and this little face. Oh man, I love this tissue, man. The quality and the color of this tissue is insane, man. It's just so body. And bam, wow, oh my god, this is crazy, guys. Here we got the Air Jordan 1s Travis Scott. If you guys haven't seen this shoe before, this is my first time seeing them in person, and I'm so hyped right now, man. These shoes are so body, man. I love them. Here we got the other pair, and damn, man, I really love these shoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the details. I'm gonna show you guys little details that are so interesting from this specific pair of Air Jordan 1s. The quality is so dope. So one of the biggest and most interesting detail is actually these Nike reverse shoes. This is the first time we ever seen somebody making a Nike reverse shoes. Nike finally opened the door to designers to be able to reverse their logo like this. It used to not be able, it used to not happen before. So I'm glad that Travis Scott was the first person to make it happen. Beside that, another thing that a lot of people love from these shoes is this little face down here on the heel right here. You have this little face here, which is the Cactus Jack face or whatever. I don't really know. You guys might even know better than me. I love the shoes, but there's some details that I wouldn't be able to explain you guys. And one of the other interesting details is this hidden pocket right here. So we have this hidden pocket in here. I remember the first time Travis Scott reviewed these shoes, he was pulling some couple bills inside of these little pockets. So I believe you can use this pocket for whatever you want, but in my opinion, I'm just gonna enjoy by putting some dollar bills in there just to hype it up, you know. So yes, that's another very interesting detail. And we're gonna move on and we're gonna talk about the color. So this specific colorway is like a dark brown colorway. Some people say that it's inspired by the Texas desert. You know, it kind of makes sense to me because Texas desert, and then we have the cactus, which is a tree or whatever that grows in the desert, especially here in Texas. There's a lot of them, and Travis Scott is from Texas, so there's where the Cactus Jack name actually comes from, which is a tree from Texas desert and other places from Texas, but most likely in the desert. That's where you're gonna find a lot of cactus. So he come up with the Cactus Jack name, and it's inspired by that, by his hometown, which is Houston, Texas. So yes, and then people say that this colorway is inspired by that. And then here we got the midsole, which is like a white creamy colorway. The midsole is kind of like a white creamy colorway, and that's another nice detail. This detail over here is kind of hard to see, but here we have another Cactus Jack logo on here that it crossed right here, Cactus Jack, but it's hard to see. I think it's 3M. I try to look at it with my flash, and it's kind of glowing more with the flash. So I believe it's 3M. So yeah, that's another detail over there. And on the tongue, we also have the Cactus Jack logo. Going to the upper over here, we have this white leather, high quality. It's so, like, man, I'm telling y'all, these shoes, when you see them in person, you're gonna love them more. I like these shoes from the first time I saw them on pictures, but now that I have a pair in my hands, man, the quality is insane. The details are so defined, and you guys gonna really like them. So yes, beside that, we have 5 sets of laces, man. This is insane. The pink laces are the most common that a lot of people like because they're kind of different, and they stand on the shoes, like, you know, the shoes is like a white and dark brown combined with the pink laces. It's a kind of good combination. The suede, man, is so insane. Butter, you can see how the suede is so high quality, and the material they use on these shoes is, oh my gosh, I can't even explain. Y'all gotta see this in person, guys. And the quality of the leather, all the detail, the smell, man. A lot of people think this is gonna be the sneaker of the year, and as we know so far, we don't have any other hype sneaker comparing to this pair this year. So I'm pretty sure that it's really gonna be the sneaker of the year. This pair of sneaker right now, it ranks around $800 to $1,100, and it's really worth the cop, to be honest with y'all. If you guys can get this from resale right now, this is the best time to get them, because we're not expecting this to drop that much. In a couple months from now, they're gonna go for a lot more. The price gonna jump. We're expecting these joints to reach $1,300 to $1,500 in the last couple months. So yes, guys, y'all tell me what you think about this pair. And by the way, don't forget, this is just an unboxing and review video. Next week I'm gonna be doing a legit check comparison video. I have already ordered a fake pair. I'm gonna be making a legit check video to help you guys, the people who want to buy this from resale, to help you guys to not get scammed. You know, there's a lot of good replicas of these out there, man. It's insane how all these fake factories, they are putting a lot of work to make the perfect replicas for this pair of sneakers. So you guys gotta be very careful, guys. I hope everybody have a great day, and thank you.